Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your smart TV with Roku. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your smart TV with Roku, first, plug your Roku device into an available HDMI. Next, connect the Roku's power adapter to a wall outlet. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input that your Roku is plugged into. You should see the Roku welcome screen appear. If you don't see the welcome screen, double-check the HDMI connection and ensure the TV is on the correct input. Now, insert the batteries into the Roku remote. Once the remote has batteries, press the home button to start the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language. Connect your Roku to your home Wi-Fi network by choosing your network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted and click Connect. Roku will then check for updates, which may take a few minutes. Once the updates are complete, you'll see the Roku home screen. Next, you will be prompted to link your Roku account. If you have an account, enter your login details. If you don't have an account, you can create one on the Roku website using a smartphone or computer. Follow the instructions to complete the linking process. After your account is set up, you can start adding channels to your Roku device. Explore the Roku channel store to find your favorite apps and services. Once you've added the desired channels, go back to the Roku home screen. You're now ready to enjoy streaming on your smart TV with Roku. Adjust the settings to your preference by navigating to the settings menu. Enjoy your new streaming experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.